Today is very hot.
Looks like we need an ice drink.
Wow, great idea.
Wait, I want to find a way to make this ice.
Yakult Milk is so easy to make.
Materials and tools: full cream milk, Yakult, jelly, ice, glass, straw, spoon. Step by step. First, prepare the tools and materials needed. Prepare the glass that will be used. The next step, put the jelly into the glass. After that, add enough full cream milk. Next, add the Yakult. Stir until mixed. The final step, add ice cup to make it more delicious. Finally, Yakult Milk ready to be enjoyed.
How to make Yakult Milk? This drink is suited to be enjoyed in hot weather and this also is to make.